Hello everyone. Today's topic is the single device loop backup. This diagram shows the topology of a single device loop backup. The upper part represents the video source, while the lower part illustrates the front and back views of the X6. The number 1 network port of the X6 serves as the main network port and connects to the first receiving card of the screen. The output port of the last receiving card connects back to the number 4 network port of the X6 via a network cable. This creates a loop between the number 1 network port and the number 4 network port. After completing the hardware connections, first, open the debugging software LED setting. Click on Screen Configuration and enter the authorization password, 168. Click on the mapping option at the top and set the mapping for the number 1 main network port. Right-click on the number 4 network port and set it as the backup network port for the number 1 main network port. After the configuration is complete, the backup network port does not require a separate connection setup. Simply solidify the connection relationships at the end. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.